Tired of getting locked out of your Telegram account? This video reveals why you're seeing a dread message, too many attempts, message, and how to get back in. Now, let's first decode the message. When you see too many attempts on Telegram, it means that you've made too many attempts in a short period of time. Now, this may include trying to log in repeatedly with the wrong code, sending too many messages quickly, joining or creating too many groups in one session, or even switching device or IP address too often. But why does Telegram do this? Because it's one of the ways Telegram will protect your account. This error helps block spammers trying to brute force access, bots that attempt to create or hijack accounts, hackers trying to guess verification codes. So as annoying as it is trying to protect your privacy. In most cases, you don't have to panic. Telegram uses the cooldown system. You just have to wait it out because it can take 15 minutes, 1 hour, 24 hours or 48 hours. But when should you contact Telegram support instead of waiting? Here are some of the legit situations. You've waited for over 48 hours with no change. You can't access your account due to the two-step verification issues. You've lost access to your email and phone. You suspect your account was locked by mistake. You see an error like, which can mean days or even weeks. Now, if any of the above is familiar, let's talk about how to contact Telegram support. Now, I've previously done a video about how to contact Telegram support. You can go watch it out instead of repeating myself. Now let's look at some of the common causes of this error and how to fix it. Wrong verification codes. Now wait for 24 hours, then request for a new code. You need to always avoid to request codes in a short period of time. This will trigger the privacy alert in Telegram systems. Two-step verification password forgotten. Now in this case, you need to wait for the recovery email or wait for the instructions from the support. IP/network switching. Avoid using VPNs or switching networks frequently while logging in. Shared phone numbers. Now if your number was used in another account, this may trigger Telegram's limits. Now here is how we can stay away from Telegram's timeout jail. Use strong or unique passwords. Enable two-step verification. Stay on one network or IP during login. Avoid joining too many groups or sending bulk messages too fast. Don't use third-party Telegram apps or bots. This may cause suspicious behaviors. Update your app regularly to stay in sync with Telegram servers. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: protects against hackers and bots, adds a strong layer of security, encourages secure habits like 2FA. Cons: frustrating for legit users, wait time can delay important access, support response isn't always fast. Now you know when Telegram says too many attempts, whether to wait or contact Telegram support directly. Don't guess, don't stress, just follow what we discussed. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.